Some of us are teachers, some of us are beginners, some of us are advanced.
So what's the difference between general yoga and acrobatic yoga?
Regular yoga is you just sit on the ground and you do different poses. With acro yoga, you have to use 2 people, 3 people, 4 people.
Right.
You can make groups of people, you can put stuff up into different poses. This is a bird pose, so like far side over there. Bird pose is one of the beginning poses we start with. It's rather simple. Kids play with this, you know, with their parents. But to get that fine tuning as an adult takes a little bit of time.
But even like the body shapes,
Yeah.
still like looks hard.
Yeah, keeping the shape is one thing. The base keeping so it doesn't move is another thing. For flyers, some poses are very easy in the beginning, and then the more advanced you get, the poses get harder. Like you have to really train yourself to keep different poses. For a base, it takes a long time to get your muscles to where they don't shake.
Right.
So keeping the thing solid is the hardest part for bases.
So not too moving, you mean?
Not too moving, yeah. So, and if you can keep it solid to where it doesn't move, the flyer has more confidence. They can do the pose they have to do. So you really have to work together with people, and that makes it more challenging, more fun. Regular yoga or individual sports is one thing, but this is kind of really a partnership type sport. But we mix it up. We use different partners all the time and practice. We're all at different levels, so we practice different things.
I see.
Right. Feet first. Toes up. No, bird. Bird. Oh, just right there. Switch hands. All right. You get it.
Nice. Okay, nice. I think. Yeah.
I feel like my foot position is not good.
Oh, it's nice. Oh no, sorry.
Can we try the same
Can I
thing?
try it? I didn't try it before.
Have you never done this?
Yeah, I never done it before. Support.
So let's do bird first. Okay, I'm going to switch my hands like this. And you're going to go into side slide. And then Xander's going to switch the feet. And then you're going to come down to back. And do all this.
Nice.
Hi, my name is William.
Hi, my name is Shi.
I'm Xander.